Hello, how are you? Welcome. So today we are subtracting two hexadecimal numbers. These are numbers to base 16. They ranged from 1 to 15, and from 10 to 15 these are letters from A to F. So you have been given this number F3CD. You subtract from EA78. So let's start. So D is 13. You subtract 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. So you write there 5. C is 13. No, C is 12. C is 12. 12 minus 7 is 12 minus 7 is 5. C minus 7. C is 12 minus 7 is 5. 5. Okay, 3 minus A. A is 10. 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10 we have to carry, so you remove 1 from F, bring it to this other side. It's 16, so you add 3. 16 plus 3, that is 19. 19 minus 10, A is 10, is 9. So there is 9. So remember, you have already carried 1. This is E. It's no longer F. E minus E is 0. So the answer is 955 base 16. This is the answer. So to prove this, if you are correct, we change this hexadecimal to decimal. Let's start. We'll start with F3 CD to base 16. Let's change it to base 10. We see if you are correct. So you base 1, 16 base 2, 16 base 3. So F is 15 times 16 power 3 plus 3 times 16 power 2 plus C is 12 times 16 power 1 plus D is E. D is 13 times 16 power 0. This will bring 62 for 13. 62 for 13. Okay, let's go to EA. EA 78 base 10 base 16. So this is base 10 because this is a decimal number. This is a hexadecimal base 16. So 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. So it is E is 14. 14 times 16 power 3 plus 10 times 16 power 2 plus 7 times 16 power 1 plus 8 times 16 power 0. This will give you 60 0 24. This base 10. Okay, so let's go to the other one. So we see it is 955. This is base 16. We want to change into decimal. 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. So it is 9 times 16 power 2 plus 5 times 16 power 1 plus 5 times 16 power 0. This will give you 2389. So this is base 10. To see if you are correct, so we go and we add these decimal numbers to see if you are correct. You subtract, not adding. 62 for 13, that is base 10. No, this is base 10. Why did I write base 16? This is base 10. base 10, subtract 60, 0, 24. You'll see what you get. So 3 minus 4, you cannot, you carry 1. 13 minus 4, that is 9. You're left with 0, so you carry 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. You're left with 3 there. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 6 minus 6 is 6. So it's 2389 base 10. So we are correct here on our hexadecimal conversion. So let's do another example. You are given D F 2A AF DB, and you are told to subtract these two hexadecimal numbers. So to guide us, let's write this. It will guide us when subtracting our numbers. 12C, 13D, 14E, 15F. So A minus B. A is 10. 10 minus 11. So you cannot. You carry 1 from this side there. When you carry 1, it becomes 16. It becomes 16. So 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 minus 11, that is 5. That is 1. 15. So 15, that is F. So 2, remember there is 1 here because you have already carried the 1. So it's 1 there. 1 minus D. D is 13. We cannot minus 1 minus 13. So you have to carry. This is E. When you take to the other side is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 minus D. D is 13. We're left with 4. So here is 4. Remember, it was F, but you carried 1, so it's E. E minus F. E is 14 minus F. F is 15, so you cannot. So you have to carry 1. So carrying 1, it becomes 16. So 16 plus 14, that is 30. Minus F is 15. You're left with 15. So there is F. So remember, you've already carried 1. So this no longer D, this is a C. C is 12. Minus A is 10. So you're left with 2. This there is 2. Base 16. Okay, so the answer is 2F, 4F. So let's convert it to decimal to see if you are correct. We'll start with DF 2A. This is base 16. So 16 per 0, 16 per 1, 16 per 2, 16 per 3. To see if you are correct. So D is 13. 13 times 16 per 3 plus F 15 times 16 per 2 plus 2 times 16 per 1 plus A is 10 times 16 per 0. That will give you 57,130. 57,130. This is the answer. So let's move to AFDB. AFDB. So this is 16 per 0, 16 per 1, 16 per 2, 16 per 3. So A is 10, times 16 power 3 plus f is 15 times 16 power 2 plus this 13 times 16 power 1 plus b is 11 times 16 power 0. So when you add all that, you will get 45,019. 45,019 019. Let me write there correctly. Then you'll move to 2f 4f. This is in base 16 and you want to change into decimal. Decimal is base 10. So 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. So it's 2 times 16 power 3 plus f is 15 times 16 power 2 plus 4 times 16 power 1 plus f is 15 times 16 power 0. Any number times 16 power 0 is 1. So any number times 16 power 0 is the number itself. So this will give you 12,111. So to prove our answer, if you are correct, we add those two numbers, then we get the answer. So it will be 57,130. You add it's 45,019. We are subtracting here, we are not adding the numbers. It's subtraction. I don't know why I'm saying also adding. So it's 0 minus 9 cannot, so you carry 1 is 1. This is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is 12,111, and this is what you got. So all these are base 10. So our hexadecimal subtraction is correct. Okay.